Gary, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our set of our cylinder heads on it. Got one of our custom grind hydraulic rollers, custom pistons. It's a EFI multi-point. We use a Pro-Am manifold on this. Holley's throttle body. Obviously, Holley's Terminator X, great system. It's got the March 13 belt set up. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 35, 484 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 518, good and flat there. Peak horsepower 522. So we rate this at 500. It's got a front end on it. So with the EFI multi-point manifold, it runs good upstairs, the new cylinder heads, things of that nature. So it runs really good. We'll get her off there, get in her crate, come your way. Have a great day.